Congratulations, you're now in escrow. The offer that you wrote on a property got accepted by the seller. So what's the next step? Now you have a binding contract. So the next step is to send that binding contract over to a third and neutral party. They're called the escrow company. So the escrow company's job is to make sure that at the close of escrow, you get free and clear title to the home and the seller gets all of their funds. So what to expect? Lots of phone calls, lots of documents, lots of craziness happening during this time. You might get even stressed, but trust me, when you get the keys, when we hand them to you at the close of escrow, it's gonna be amazing. You're gonna feel awesome. Now, most escrows range from 21 days to about 45 days. So whatever it is in the contract, that's what it is. You should be getting an email from us soon outlining the different timelines throughout this transaction because every transaction is different. So generally, you have to put your deposit. That's the next step. So escrow's gonna be calling you. They're gonna give you wiring instructions. You walk into your bank and then you wire in your deposit. That deposit, within 3 days, usually you have to put it into escrow. So make some time during your lunch break or whenever you get a chance to go into the bank and take care of that. After that, the seller discloses to you what's wrong with the home. Usually within 7 days, they give you a packet of disclosures telling you any issues with the plumbing, electrical, the roof, neighbors, the community, and they might even give you HOA documents if there's an HOA. After that, you have your contingency period. Your contingency period is usually between 7 to 17 days. This is the time that you have to actually do your due diligence on the property and do your inspections, your home inspection, your termite inspection, your appraisal for your bank. And during this time, you're gonna work with your realtor and you're also gonna work with a transaction coordinator to schedule these inspectors to go out to the property. After you do your inspections and the property looks good, then you go ahead and tell the seller, hey, I'm moving forward. You sign off your contingencies, meaning your right to cancel, sign those off, and you move forward and you close the deal. Right before you close the deal, you have to sit down with your lender and then you're gonna have to sign loan documents for your loan. That usually happens 3 to 4 days before you close escrow, sometimes the day before you close escrow. At the close of escrow, you get free and clear title to the home, the seller gets their money, and then we hand you the keys. So if you have any questions about your specific transaction or more detailed questions, feel free to reach out to us and then that way we could give you those answers. Good luck.